Breaking news coming in. Former BJP leader and Union Minister in Vajpayee government, Yashwant Sinha, has joined the Trinamool Congress. That is the big story we're breaking right now on India Today. There is a press conference going on to this effect. Let's cut live and listen in.
বাজপেয়ী সরকারের সময় এরপর 2002 থেকে 2004 সাল পর্যন্ত 90 সাল থেকে 1991 সালে প্রধানমন্ত্রী চন্দ্রশেখরের সময় আর তারপর 1999 থেকে 1902 সাল পর্যন্ত অটল বিহারী বাজপেয়ী সরকারের সময়
All right, we'll get our reporters on ground to translate what he's just saying, but at the moment the big story coming in is Yashwant Sinha joining the TMC. This is a TMC press conference on, and the translation will come in just about a bit. He's a former Indian minister. He was a minister in the Vajpayee cabinet. He was a union minister in Vajpayee government. He's a former BJP leader. He's now gone ahead and joined the Trinamool Congress, and how this is going to impact the BJP and TMC both yet remains to be seen. We're also expecting a reaction to come in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, he's held the office of the Minister of External Affairs of India from 2002 to 2004. He was the finance minister at one point as well. He's a former Indian administrator, politician, former minister of finance, very senior leader, mind you, in the Bharatiya Janata Party. He quit the party, if I'm not mistaken, in 2018, and now he is with the Trinamool Congress. It's official. He joins the Trinamool Congress. We're waiting for a reaction to come in from the BJP on this as well. Prema Rajaram is now joining us from Kolkata. Prema, TMC press conference is on. There's a formal announcement being made of Yashwant Sinha joining the TMC. If you could just walk our viewers through the announcement that is coming in from the TMC.
So Yashwant Sinha is all set to join the Trinamool Congress, and this is in line with a string of leaders and others who have joined from the BJP crossed over to the Trinamool Congress ahead of the assembly elections. And at this moment, Yashwant Sinha all set to be part of the Trinamool Congress, and the joining is being announced at this moment.
And how does the BJP view this, Prema? In the light of the upcoming West Bengal elections, is it going to come as a bit of a setback for them to see their former senior leader going to the TMC?
It will be a setback for the BJP because considering that there have been a string of leaders from the Trinamool Congress who jumped ship to the BJP because they've been disgruntled with the party. Now it is from the BJP leader, and that was senior leader, crossing over to the Trinamool Congress, which is a big morale boost for the ruling party. But for the BJP to lose someone like Yashwant Sinha and to the Trinamool Congress ahead of the election would definitely be a setback. But of course, for the BJP, they are very confident with their leaders, senior leaders campaigning here in West Bengal, and of course, many others who've jumped ship from the Trinamool Congress, that the Saffron Party will fare well in West Bengal despite these leaders making their way to the Trinamool Congress.
An ardent critic and a vocal critic, vociferously critical of the ruling establishment and the policies of the Modi-led government. So it's not coming as a surprise that he joins the TMC and decides to join the TMC, but the kind of setback it comes for the BJP, we'll get a reaction from them as to how they feel about this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.